Good morning now. I graduated from Chennai Mathematical Institute, and then I went to do my PhD in computer science from University of Madrid, Spain, and that was through one of the prestigious European Union fellowship called Marie Curie Fellowship. And while doing my doctoral research work, I also got this opportunity to work as a visiting researcher at University of Hampstead in Sweden and University of Twente in Netherlands. So that really helped me. So it was truly sort of a multidisciplinary research work that I was able to do. Even though I was doing my PhD in computer science, I collaborated with the law enforcement agency in Spain. So it's similar like FBI or CBI. So my PhD work was mostly on forensic fingerprint recognition. So that was a really great experience collaborating with the law enforcement agency. And then for my postdoc, I switched over to a completely different domain. So I did my postdoc from Dublin City University in Ireland, and that was also through a Marie Curie Fellowship. So I sort of had two-time got this prestigious Marie Curie Fellowship. And one thing that I would like to say is that especially in Europe, we have these opportunities of getting into multidisciplinary approaches, not very common in India. So for my doctoral research work from forensic domain, I was able to completely switch over to health domain. Health in the sense I was developing artificial intelligence-based system for children with intellectual disabilities and autism. So that was a really great, ambitious European Union project, and I was happy to be part of that. And then, so for over 6 years I was in Europe, and then I returned back to India and I established my own company, Vision Corp Research and Development Private Limited, which focused on providing consultancy and training in the domain of artificial intelligence, and to be more specific in the domain of computer vision. That is my area of specialization. And I have been associated with Shivanadar University, Chennai, and then I am now joining SaiU University. And it's really great that I just wanted to mention one more thing, like the education system at Chennai Mathematical Institute was very unique. And my 6 years in Europe, so I have worked in four universities across Europe. I have seen this lot of flexibility that is given for students to choose these subjects. So I've always wondered, like, why don't we have similar universities in India where we give freedom and flexibility for students? In CMI, so CMI was my first encounter where I have seen a lot of flexibility for students. Undergraduate student, master's student, and research scholars, they all sit together and do a course. So that's not something that you see common. In abroad, I have seen similar endeavors, and I'm seeing that SaiU University is providing such a flexibility for students. So it's very unique, and I'm happy to be part of that. Thank you very much.